Today I'll teach you how to use ViewBag in ASP.NET Core. Now inside the action drizzle method, I am creating a ViewBag object. ViewBag allows us to create dynamic objects, which mean without defining their data type, you can create objects, and based on the value you are storing, its data type is defined. For example, here I am creating a ViewBag object message in which I am setting a string value. So now this particular ViewBag object has become a string object as it is holding a string value. Finally, the view is returned. Now we'll display this ViewBag object inside the view. So now let's move to the view. Now in the view, using razor syntax, I am displaying the ViewBag object. So that's it. We are done with the programming part. Now we'll execute our project and see it in action. Now you can see the string value which is set in the controller is now being displayed in the view. So today we learned what is ViewBag and how to use ViewBag objects in ASP.NET Core. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.